Whether you're a student, blog writer, or content creator, AI detection is incredibly important, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a program that can detect any AI and any text online. I don't want to waste your time, so let's get right into it. Now, before we get into the tutorial, this video is entirely for educational purposes only, and a huge shout out to AI Detector Pro for actually sponsoring this video. So AI Detector Pro is a fantastic site that basically tells you if your content is AI generated or if text is AI generated. And this is really important because there's lots of websites or organizations that don't want you to be submitting 100% AI generated content, but we all know that everybody uses ChatGPT. So the way I like to use AI Detector Pro is by generating content through ChatGPT and then taking that content and pasting it in AI Detector Pro and seeing what I need to remove to make it more human written. So they do have a ton of different tools on their website, which you guys can go and check out. But what we're really going to be focusing on here today is the AI detector, which is the main tool of this website. So first I'm going to do a test just so you guys can see that AI Detector Pro actually works. So we're going to do a comparison. I'm going to ask ChatGPT here to give me a script for an NHL video on YouTube on banned items. And the reason I'm asking this in specific is because I had a test channel where I kind of wanted to do this and I already made a script. And keep in mind, I wrote this script without using any AI at all. So this is 100% human written. So I'm going to first paste in the human written text in AI Detector Pro, and we are going to go and hit analyze here. And we're going to see what AI Detector Pro has to say about our human written text. Now, as you guys can see, the probability of AI is incredibly low. It's 2 out of 100, and it says it was written by a human. And that's true because I wrote this entire script myself. But now if we go over to ChatGPT here, and they gave us a script that we're going to copy over and paste into AI Detector Pro, and we're going to hit analyze, and there you go. As you can see, 98 out of 100, so 98% written by AI, showcasing just how good this AI detector is at detecting AI written text. This is why these tools are so valuable, because when you're submitting AI generated text online, people on the other end have these detectors set up, so it's really important that you use a detector yourself to ensure that your content doesn't get detected. Alrighty, so I told ChatGPT to rewrite the script in a paragraph format so that it doesn't get detected for AI, and we are just going to paste in that text once again, and as you can see, it did absolutely nothing because it has a 98% AI score. What's a really awesome tool about AI Detector Pro is that not only is it going to tell you it was written by AI, you can actually use a thing called Erase AI, which is going to show you all of the different words that is getting this paragraph or this piece of text picked up for AI. The AI eraser tool is probably the coolest feature on AI Detector Pro because it tells you every single word that's making your content sound more like AI, and then it's also giving you different variations. So you can see here, enthusiasm we can use for energy, and as you can see, energy is a much better word. So right now I'm just trying to reword anywhere I see red text and maybe even yellow text as well. In addition to that, I'm also just changing up all these blue highlighted words to words that might not get picked up by the AI. And yeah, guys, once you're done doing all your editing, all you have to do is hit rescan, and it's going to give you a new score on your text if it's AI generated or not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and to the point tutorial on a fantastic AI detector. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, as well as registering down below for AI Detector Pro, and it will come with 3 AI detections for completely free. See you guys in the next one.